Hey everyone, Vann from Oakwyn Realty here. I've got a market update for April 2021 for you, and what I'm going to do is keep it really brief and touch on three important things that I saw in the market last month. So number one, the overall sales activity throughout the region last month. So what we saw was just under 5,000 homes sold. If you look at the 10-year sales average for the month of April throughout the region, we were actually 52% above that last April. So it was a significantly busier month than usual. And you might even hear some articles come out and say that we were 340% year over year from last April. But you have to remember that that was the beginning of the pandemic when real estate essentially shut right down. So it's not really a fair comparison to make. So if you do see that number pop up, just keep that in mind. So number two is the types of properties that saw the most demand last month. So you'll see them pop up on the screen here, but across all different property types, so condos, townhouses, and detached, we were in a strong seller's market. So anything above 20%. Now, keep in mind that in specific communities or neighborhoods, those numbers might change because what you're seeing here is pulled from the region as a whole. So if you do want more accurate figures, just reach out and I'll get those to you right away. So last but not least, something interesting that I saw in the last couple of weeks happen in the market. So we actually had benchmark prices for all different properties go up from March to April. But in the last couple of weeks, what we've been seeing is buyer demand is starting to slow down. So we've had less showings, less offers, and there's just generally less excitement out there and less competition. And I think part of that has to do with a little bit of buyer fatigue setting in from all of this competition that we've been seeing over the last couple of months. Now, I personally know several buyers who have lost out on property after property, and you can only do so much of that. It starts to weigh on you at a certain point, so we are starting to see the effects of that on the market at this point. That's it for today. I wanted to keep it really brief. If you have specific neighborhoods or communities that you'd like to get stats for, reach out and I'll get them to you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys again next week with another video. Take care.